everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing with you guys. I got my box pretty early. I usually get it like mid-month, the end of the month, but today is what, the 6th? And I have my box here, so I figured let's go ahead and do an unboxing together. Share with you guys the products that I got in this month's box, which is for April. So if you guys would like to see what things I got in my Boxycharm, then just continue watching. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I do upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. I was on vacation. I did go on a Disney cruise. That's why I had no videos last week, because I decided to take some days off from filming and having to edit before I left, but I am back now, so we're gonna go ahead and continue on with my 3 days a week uploads. And yeah, if you again want to see what I got in my Boxycharm, then just continue watching. So I know people like to see like what the weight is of the box, and I was trying to see on here, but there is like nowhere on the label here where it says how much it weighs. But to be honest, this is like a thinner box than what we usually get, because usually it's kind of like a little bit fatter, and I have no idea how much this weighs. I've just been looking at the label and it just doesn't say. So this theme for Boxycharm is Peace, Love, and Boxy, and I did get variation 3. Here are the products that are in my box this month. The first thing I see here is this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. This is a loose highlighting powder. I have mine in the shade Summer Haze, and I actually got an email for like a spoiler alert to know what I was getting before I actually got my box, and it did say I got Summer Haze. They also have Purple Dream, I believe, and I actually wanted this one. So let's go ahead and open this up. This is what the packaging looks like, and the shade, you can kind of see it right there. I do feel like it's kind of on the darker side. I don't know, I didn't think it was going to be so orange. I got it open, so I'm going to put some on the back of my hand. Ooh, I think I applied too much. Yeah, I definitely did. Gorgeous, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, let's apply this, because this is really pretty. So, let's see. I need a highlighting brush. I don't really have one. This is the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Blush. I'm just going to apply it right here, because there's a lot. Ooh, yay. I thought I was going to be disappointed with this, because it looks really orange in the container, but swatch, it's actually really pretty. It does have like a pinkish, like orangey hint to it, but it's really nice. Look at that. Ooh, I only have this one, and what did we get? Illuminati? I think we got like a few, like at least 6 months ago in Boxycharm. We also got another Artist Couture highlight. Let me close this before it's like spilt everywhere. The nice thing about this is that it does have like a closure. You can open as much as you want and then close it all the way or open it all the way. But this is really nice. I like this. I'm super happy with the color that I got. Oh, and that Artist Couture product, Diamond Glow Powder, is $27. That alone is already the price of the box, because we paid $21. If you do not know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly subscription box where you pay $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size items. And that's why I said that this product alone already paid for my box. The next product that I got was this Christopher Buckle Cashmere Slip Longwear Lipstick. I have mine in the shade Bardot. Bardot. I have no idea. B-A-R-D-O-T. But let's see. This product retails for $18. Ooh, the packaging is nice. Look at this. Ooh, and the color's a nice, pretty everyday color. Nice. Bardot. I have no idea, guys. Ooh, yes. Perfect everyday, my type of pinky nude shades. Cool. So far, I like the box so far. Next product I see in here is this Star Looks Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil, and it looks like it's in the shade Celestial, and this product retails for $19. Let's go ahead and see what color it is. I think it's like a black. Oh no, it's like a minty kind of green color. Ooh, nice. So let's go ahead and swatch it. I wasn't going to swatch it, but ooh, this is kind of on the stiffy side. Oh, well, I guess now that you kind of keep on swatching it, this is really nice. Look at that. It's like a mint color. It's really nice. Wow, I'm impressed. This month so far is not bad at all. sometimes I feel like with Boxycharm, it's like hit and miss. I only use like 2 or 3, pretty much like 1 or 2, I should say, of the products I get in my box, and the rest of the items I usually put like aside for giveaways. But right now I'm like loving all these products I'm getting so far. Next up in here is this Luxie the Summer Days 3-piece brush set, and this retails for $28. So here are the brushes, if I can get them out. Look how nice these are. I like the barrels on these, they're super nice. So this is the small contouring brush. I don't really use like brushes like this to contour, so I would probably use this to blend out my concealer or like apply highlight. I don't know, it's kind of more on the stiffer side for highlight, but I wouldn't really use like these denser kind of type brushes for contouring. I don't know, unless I like really kind of fluff it out so it's not so hard. I don't know. This one is the large shader. It's just like a shader brush. And then this is also a shader brush, but this is a small shader brush. So this one will be nice for like cut creases. Like if you want to do like a cut crease or like cut out your crease, this will be good. And this one's more for like packing shadow since it's more on the thicker side. But these brushes feel nice. They don't feel cheap, so that's good. And then the last product I see in this box is the palette that we were gonna get. And it's by Pure. It's the Festival palette. And here's what the packaging looks, really pretty. And on the back you do get the shades in here as well. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we think. I like the packaging. It doesn't feel like cheap really, and it does have a magnetic closure and a mirror also. Ooh, my eyes went straight towards this color right here. So here are the shades in here. These colors look nice. My eyes are going towards this one right there. So I'm gonna do some swatches. What is this? Ooh, look at that. Wow. Let's swatch Wild Orchid, which is the pink. And let's do this Gypsy color, which is the purple. And then let's do the other sparkly one, which is called Fireworks. Is this like a pressed glitter or what? Pressed Pigment Palette. So here's Fireworks, pressed glitter. Ooh, that one swatches pretty opaquely. Nice. This is the pink one, which is called Wild Child. That one's nice. This is the other one that my eyes went towards, which is a glitter, actually. And then the last one was this purple color. Wow, these are pretty pigmented just by like swatching them. I'm excited to try them on my eyes. Let's swatch one of the shimmer shades in here. My eye's going towards this one, which is called Psychedelic, which is this gold color. It doesn't feel super smooth when I'm like swatching it, but it seems okay. Let's see. Ooh, it swatches pretty nicely, which is this one right there. Ooh, I'm excited to try this out. I'm actually gonna put this in my Shop My Stash. If you guys watch my Shop My Stash videos, they usually go up on Saturdays, so I'll pick this for next week's Shop My Stash so I can try it out and kind of let you guys know what I think of this palette. But just by swatching a few shades, they don't seem bad. They seem pretty nice, so I'll be using this. So I tallied everything up of everything I got. My box was worth $128. The products I'm mostly excited to use is this Pure Festival palette and also the Diamond Glow Powder in Summer Haze by Artist Couture. These are like the standout products for this month for me. But this one is nice, this Christopher Buckle lipstick, because it's actually like a everyday nude type of color for me, and the packaging on the lipstick's really nice as well. This Star Looks would have been okay if I didn't like get it in my box, or like if I didn't swatch it, because I don't know how often I'll actually use this color. I can probably just give this to my mom because she just uses like colored liners a lot instead of like eyeshadow and stuff like that. And since I did swatch it, I can't really give this away to anybody else, but this color is really nice. I think she'll like that. And then the brushes are nice as well. You can never have too many shaded brushes, and then this one is the only one that I'm like, I don't think I'll use it for contouring, but like for highlight or like blending out my concealer, I do like. But overall, I think this month's box was actually really good. Let me know what variation box or what different items you got in your box compared to mine. I have seen people get like, they're getting the mascara instead of the lipstick. And then also they have been getting this this, but they've been getting like different colors. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!